3 gets into payroll records, which some of this is a review, some of it is not. As you can see here, you have a commissions record for Allison Cavero. And given to you in the book for Allison is that she's a supervisor of a hardware department for June of the current year. She's employee number 2. She's paid $1,200. As you can see, 1% commission rate. Commissions for the previous month are paid in the first pay period of the current month. Accounting records for the hardware department for the month ended June 30th. The current year are sales on account, $17,895. Cash and credit card sales, $15,523. Add those up. Our sales discounts are $179. Our returns and allowances are $1239 for a total of $2218. Net sales, you subtract those two, take it times the 1%, and that's how you get your commission on net sales. Then you get to the next part, which is a little bit different and something maybe we haven't done completely like this before. It says on line 1, Allison Cavero, married, 2 allowances, total hours she's paid a salary. So her regular earnings are $1,200. Commission is $312 for a total of $1,512. And then it tells you on line 4, Lee James, single, 1 allowance. Total hours is 88, which then you have to figure out regular time versus overtime. So $800. Then you do your overtime, you get $120 for a total of $920. And that should be part 2. Then we go down to the next part, which is Lee James, and we are going to do his federal income tax, state income tax, Social Security, Medicare, and so on. And I'm getting these percentages out of the book. Remember, you take 920 to get federal income tax. Federal income tax, I believe you have to look on the chart, which is on page 66, and that's how we got $93. Remember, you have to look up single on the single chart. Withholding is 1. And then we use the percentages that are given to us. 5% for state income tax, 6.2 for Social Security, 1.45 for Medicare. Health insurance and life insurance are indicated here in, well, I guess health insurance only in other. We total those up, get our net pay. Remember, we subtract our total earnings from the total deductions. That's how we get 682.62. And our accumulated earnings is given to you in the book. This top number, 11,900, and then we add 920, together, and that's how we get 12,820. And the rest of the payroll register from up above, I knew there was another part to this, is over here on the next page. So that's where the rest of the information is for the payroll register, because it can't fit all on one page. So as you can see, hardware, federal income tax, life insurance, health insurance, net pay, and then you go down to the next one and do the same thing there. So should give you a pretty good idea of where your numbers are at.